Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. For today's video, I've got another haul from CRAFTYFOX251. April, the lady that runs it, has kindly sent me another package. Bless her, I love her to pieces. She's so sweet and so generous. It looks like she sent me quite a variety of goodies here, so I'm just going to show you them all today. Some of the bits are going to be new to the website very soon. I have already done a couple of videos on some of her products, which I will link in the description box if you haven't already seen them. But if you haven't seen them, check them out, and also check out her website. She has a store on Etsy and all of her products are really nice and super affordable. You guys will absolutely love them. Some right bargains to be had. So I'll leave all of her details in the description box. She is also on Facebook and Instagram. But like I said, today we're just going to be diving into this box of goodies. I'm really excited to have a look. I haven't even had a proper look myself yet, so I'm really excited. So I'm going to jump straight into the video. I hope you all enjoy, and other than that, let's get started. Okay, so she always puts a really sweet little note in. Here we have her Etsy shop, her Instagram and her Facebook. A little note says, "Hi Sammy Joe, here's some goodies that are coming soon. Some are already on Etsy. Have put stickers for the kids and rubbers. Have given you some rhinestones and I bought you the stones and circle thing. Lots of love and happy birthday to your daughter." Oh, she's so thoughtful and so sweet. I really appreciate that, April. Thank you. Her little logo again. I love her little logo. That's so thoughtful. Thank you so much, April. So I'm going to start off with some of the little stickers that she's put in. My kids love stickers, so they're going to really love these. Look at them. Little 3D fish. Look at Nemo. I love Nemo. I do love some of the old classic films that I find in Nemo. It's a good film, that one. Yeah, they're super cute. I love them. We've got some fruit and vegetables. They're really good stickers, these ones, because they're like proper 3D. The kids are going to absolutely love these. Got lots of hearts. They're really pretty, they are. Dinosaurs. My son is going to absolutely love these. He'll probably look at them and then come out of a massive roar. Every time he sees a dinosaur, he'll be like, "Rah!" He's so funny. He's going to absolutely love those. And we've got a bunch of cars. My son's going to absolutely adore those. He's really obsessed with trains at the minute. I asked him what he wanted for his birthday, because it's his birthday coming up. It was my daughter's birthday on the 6th of March, and then my son's birthday is the 3rd of April. And I asked him what he wanted for his birthday, and all he requested was a choo-choo. So yeah, I've bought him a Paw Patrol train, which he's going to absolutely love. Yeah, he's absolutely obsessed with trains at the moment. And then we've also got some more cars. I'm going to have stickers everywhere. They're going to love those though. Thank you, April. And in here it looks like we've got some more stickers. I love these little organza bags. They're great because obviously you can reuse them. They just look really nice when you send people stuff in them. So what we've got here, we've got loads of little funny faces. Oh, cute. Oh, got cats. My daughter's obsessed with cats at the minute. Everything cats. So she's definitely going to really like these. Yeah, she's going to love those. They're super cute. I'm literally going to have stickers everywhere. I know it. It's alright though. They're really cute. Yeah, April sells a bit of all sorts on her Etsy, so it's not just like nail art stuff, but she does like stickers and sort of arts and crafty stuff. She has jewellery and a bit of all sorts on there, really. So we've got a glitter here. It's a 5 gram bag of glitter called Marina. As you can see, it's 95p for a 5 gram bag, which is so affordable. Like, you generally won't find prices like that anywhere else. This is a bit of a multi-mix. We've got large, medium and small hexes in there. Blue iridescent shift. Gonna be great for summer. Lots of mermaid nails coming up. Yeah, super pretty and so affordable. Oh, these are nice. We've got pale peach stars in a 3 gram bag for 85p. And like 3 grams, as you can see, is a lot. Like, I probably would never get through those on my own, but they're really gorgeous colour. Like, I've not seen anything in that colour. Like, I've got a lot of stars. Like, I really have got lots of stars in different shapes, sizes, colours. But I have not got any like these at all. I love how tiny they are as well. Some stars have got really big and they're just a bit awkward to work with, but little ones like these are so easy to work with and they just look so cute. I love these a lot. Thank you, April. We have then got a bag of mixed unicorns. I have already got a lot of these unicorns. I've been sent them from a couple of different people now, but they are really cute. You've got purple, And then you've got like a pink and then like a whitey pink as well. So you've got like 3 different colours in there of unicorns. As you can see, they've got a gorgeous iridescent shift to them. She's sent me so many as well. I've literally got so many unicorns. But they are cute. Thank you, April. We have got some more stickers. I'm just sort of pulling stuff out as it's sort of at the top. I'm sort of not doing it in any particular order, but yeah, some more of the stickers that she sells. She's got quite a variety of different stickers on there. As you can see, these ones are really cute. They're so pretty. They're great for like scrapbooking or just decorating stuff in general, really. They're really, really, really nice stickers. I love these a lot. We have got some nail wrap stickers. These are really pretty. I love, love, love. Like, look how sparkly they are. They are really nice. And they actually look like a good size for my nails as well. These ones are coming soon, so I don't know how much they are. I love the fact that they're in a proper sealed, like you have to rip that open to get into them as well. There's good packaging on there. Yeah, I really like them. That's such a gorgeous design on those. They're really, really, really nice. Wow, they're really pretty as well. I love how sparkly they are and the colours on them. I really like this one with the gold Eiffel Tower on. And the floral ones are super cute as well. They're really pretty. I really like those. But again, they are coming soon. I'm intrigued to see what other designs she's got actually. They're really nice. I like them a lot. And bless her, she wrote on the little note that she bought these for me. I guess she knows that I like my crystals and stuff. They're so nice. There's actually so many different types of crystals in there. I've actually just recently bought some. I haven't got as many colours of these, but I bought 3, I think, different types from AliExpress, which will be featured in a video soon. But I love these, a variety of colours in there. I'm definitely going to have to do some crystal inspired nails at some point using these. They're so pretty. Thank you so much, April. She's so thoughtful. She's so sweet, bless her. I love them. Got some rubbers here for the kids. My daughter's going to love these. She loves wear stationery and stuff. My boy's not quite into that yet. Like, trying to get him to sit down and do some colouring is like mission impossible. I got sent some work from his nursery for him to do, and trying to get him to sit down and do it is so difficult. He's just not interested at all. But yeah, my daughter loves the stationery, so she will absolutely love those. Okay, and then she sent me these dots. These are really pretty. I don't have nothing like these either. I reckon just encapsulating some of these in some clear acrylic or gel or something is going to look really pretty. Look at the variety of colours on them. They are so nice, but again, these are coming soon. So she's got some really beautiful items coming. You guys are going to love them. Yeah, I love those. Brilliant. We have got some rhinestones. These are so pretty. Look at the shift in colour on those. So these ones are called Magical and they're coming soon again. I'll try and give you guys a closer look, but look at the shift in colours on those. They're really nice, aren't they? I love those. And these, I've got some of these and I use them a lot because they're some of my all-time favourite rhinestones. Look at those. So she's named them Summertime. Like, look at the shift of colours. Literally obsessed with these sort of rhinestones. I don't know if I have any this tiny, but yeah, I do have some of these exactly the same, and I do use them a lot because they really are so pretty. Yeah, thank you, April. I love those a lot. Okay, and then we've got some half pearls here, which she has called Princess. So these are coming soon, maybe. But again, look at the variety in colours there. I love the blue ones and I love the red ones, and the deep purple ones as well. They're all really nice, but I don't have any red ones. Obviously red's my favourite colour, so I'm definitely going to be doing something with those soon. But yeah, I love those. Thank you, April. And then we've got a bag of glitter multi-mix shapes. So we've got stars, hexagons, that's sort of like cut out hexagons. We've got full hexagons, and we've got the inside of the hexagons as well. And yeah, we've got like the cut out stars and then the other stars. And they're in gorgeous colours as well. We've got pink, we've got blue, green and purple. But yeah, look at the size of that bag as well. For 60p, can't really go wrong, can you? Absolutely stunning. Love them a lot. Wow, these are different. I've not seen ones like these before. Like pinky, purpley, bluey dots that are all iridescent. Look at that. I don't have many dots. I have like a couple holographic dots, but I don't have a lot. I have some neon dots as well from Charlie's Nail Art, and then I've got some from M&M Nail Art Supplies. But I think that's it that I've got dots wise. So I made up these because obviously she sent me those ones, and then the rainbow ones too. So that I'm well sorted on dots now, aren't I? Yeah, I love those a lot. And again, these are coming soon. Just keep your eyes peeled. You guys need to head on over and grab yourselves some bargains because they are just awesome. Okay, and then last but certainly not least, we've got some hearts here, which are 85p. Oh, wow. So we've got a whole range of different coloured hearts. And there's metallic ones as well as iridescent ones in there as well. Loads of different colours, massive pot full. I'm going to put a lid back on because I know what I'm like, I'm clumsy. I'll send them everywhere. What's it? It was one of my Crafty Fox videos before. It's a tub of glitter she sent me. I managed to knock the whole thing everywhere. It literally just went ping, and yeah, it made a complete mess. Luckily I did manage to save mass majority of it. But yeah, clumsy me, butterfingers. But those are super gorgeous, so thank you, April. So yeah, as you can see here, April has absolutely spoiled me. She's a diamond, she really is. There's so many new products coming onto her shop that look absolutely gorgeous, super affordable, good quality items. I'm really excited to play with all these. There's so many beautiful things here that I really don't have, like the dots, for example. Like I said, I don't have many dots. The fact that she's thought about my kids as well, I love that. It's so thoughtful. She's so sweet, bless her. She got me some crystals. I love her so much. She's so sweet. She's so lovely to talk to. And she's just a complete angel. I know a couple of you have started talking to her as well. Thank you guys so much for supporting her business as well. But yeah, massive thank you to you, April. I love you so much. You're so sweet, and yeah, and I'm so happy that we have become friends. And yeah, she's so sweet. She really is so sweet. So please, please, please go on over to her Etsy shop. Check out her store. You guys will love it. I'm sure you'll struggle because you'll just want to buy everything, I'm sure. Also nip on over to her Facebook and her Instagram, show her some love and support over there. But anyways, I hope you have all enjoyed this video. If you have, please remember to give it a big thumbs up for me. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Much love to you all, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye!